Storage costs are another important element of your holding costs. When you think of storage costs, you should think of any of the resources that you use to handle and store your inventory. These costs may be direct or indirect money spent on storage of your goods. Storage costs can also include costs for warehousing, warehouse equipment, space, rent, electricity, software, depreciation, and warehouse personnel. In most cases, storage costs are described as a percentage of your inventory value. A very important thing to keep in mind is that when you increase the volume of your inventory, your storage costs will go up too. Likewise, if you have expensive equipment, lots of unused space, or personnel, this can cause the storage costs to rise as well. On the other hand, lowering inventory frees up space, which reduces storage costs and may require the usage of less equipment, which also reduces your storage costs. With this in mind, we would like to extend a question that you can brainstorm to begin thinking about your storage costs. What items do you have at your place of work that may add to your storage costs? You can answer the question in the community, upcoming assignments section, or on a piece of paper at your desk, and we'll see you again soon.